Hey, it's Kyla. And if you're wondering why this is a thing. Well, we did each other's makeup for this video. And we have to wear that. Okay. This is what we have editing buttons for. Editing buttons.
She's a mess today. It's okay. I relate.
We did each other's makeup for this video. And we had to wear whatever the other person did for the entire time.
And I didn't know what I was doing, and she is an artist.
So this is the Ipsy unboxing for the month of January. It's January, right? Yeah.
It is January.
Okay, it is January.
January 2018.
Yeah, that one. pretty pink bag. Let's, I do this every time. No, I can do it.
Okay. No to the scissors. No to the scissors.
What's the bag look like? It feels like net.
Oh.
Okay. It kind of looks like something like...
Chainmail.
Chainmail?
Sorry.
Like a little kid. I feel like it's something a little kid would have.
Yeah, kinda.
It's spongy. Okay. What's the first item in the bag? It is... Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask.
Wow.
Ooh. Mud. Love me some mud. Ew, it looks like clay. And it smells like clay. Yeah. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Clayface.
My name's Clayface and I care what you think. Demonetized! Just kidding, I'm not monetized anyway. What is next? Kissable liquid lipstick in matte rouge from Koki. Koki, there's an elephant. No correlation. This looks like a shade I already got from them. It kind of looks like the one I put on you. A little bit.
True.
True. This is like drying up. I guess that's what mud does, huh? Heavy cream! We use this at my work. Oh, this isn't whipped cream. We use it to make whipped cream, but this is not that.
This is not for baking.
Okay. It says cake on it. Can I eat it? Eat it?
No, not a good idea. I know it kind of looks like frosting.
I should probably be showing things to the camera, huh? So this is Rich Vanilla Shea Butter. Immensely Smoothing Body Butter Balm. Try saying that 3 times fast.
Oh, you want me to do it?
Yeah!
What was it again?
Body Butter Balm.
Body Butter Balm. Body Butter Balm. Body Butter Balm.
What does it smell like?
Hopefully vanilla.
Oh, like frosting. Can I eat it?
I think it's still technically makeup. Oh, it smells good though. Not a good idea. We've got cake downstairs. I think you should eat some.
It's all gone. What do we got? Void, just like my heart. Eco-perfected, cruelty-free, and vegan-friendly. Okay, wow. But it doesn't say what it actually is. Apply 2 coats. So whatever this is, you have to apply 2 coats of it. What is it? It's a really pretty nail polish. This is the color that I put on my Kim Kardashian Hollywood character. This is literally the color.
Right. It was meant to be.
Gotta get that promo for Kim because she needs more promo from my channel. Here's the card. Excuse me, I'm trying to film a video.
Sorry about that.
Game face, fact. You've got this. Whether it's running a 5K, oh god, is the athletics, is that the theme this? I don't do those.
No, we don't do athletics.
Whether it's running a 5K, nailing a job interview, or consistent skincare routine.
Everything you need to crush your 2018 goal is already with you, but...
Go ahead, sorry.
But since we could all use a little extra motivation, sometimes your January glam bag, 5 personal pics, and I can't read, and the articles on Ipsy.com were designed to keep you game face and ready for anything all month long. We even teamed up with Candace Hufflepuff, Day One, and empowering activewear line to express that everybody and everybody can slay every day. What will you conquer? Fill in the blank on the flip side of this card, post it on social, and tag Ipsy and Ipsy Game Face. Make sure to cheer on other Ipsters too. Let's reach our goal together. P.S. Looking for even more beauty fuel? Head to Ipsy Shopper to load up on your face. Get 10 to 13% cash back for everything you buy.
Alright, I will conquer... What will we conquer? Teaching Michael how to make up. Right.
We will conquer makeup.
I already conquered makeup.
Good job.
No, that's...
You're close.
That's a matter of opinion.
You're close. I have a long way to go.
Okay, there's one more thing in here.
Oh.
Ooh, it is Mary Lou Manizer, aka the Luminizer. Ooh, the Luminizer.
Oh, there's the French coming out.
Highlighter, shimmer, eyeshadow. There's a lot going on here. What is this?
That doesn't answer any questions for me.
Ooh, pretty. Well, I think it's what it says. It's a highlighter, shimmer, eyeshadow. So it can be a highlighter or an eyeshadow.
Okay.
Swatch. Swatchy swatch. Swatchy swatch. Can you even see that? Let's try another swatch.
That's...
Oh, didn't it say apply to... No, that was the other thing. I can't.
Apply to coats. I mean, it is pretty cold outside. You might need 2 coats.
Okay, and that is my Ipsy bag. Why are you making that noise?
What am I apologize. I didn't realize I was making noise.
That is my Ipsy bag for January 2018. Thanks for watching, and I will see you later.